What's up traders, it's John Howell here, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about the trading room do's and don'ts. This is for people that are considering a course or a package or getting involved with a company that has a trading room involved with it, okay? I've been now trading the markets now for 10 years and I've been a moderator of these trading rooms and I've seen what happens behind the scenes of these trading rooms. And and that's the reason why I'm warning you right now. I'm getting you into the flow of what to expect, but also some do's and don'ts when you're actually getting into the trading room itself, okay? This is going to save you years and years of trial and error and wondering why things may not be working out as good as you thought it would be while entering that trading room. Then I'm going to talk to you about probably one of the best ways when actually approaching the market to start getting ahead in a big way, okay? So let's actually talk about this here. What's on the board? Firstly, the trading room do's and don'ts. Firstly, if you become part of a course or a package of that has a trading room, this is not for all trading companies, okay? But one, don't follow every trade. And what I mean by that is this. I know so many companies out there that have moderators that don't even trade themselves. I was part of a company a while ago, 3 years ago now, 4 years ago now, and I was actually moderating for the room because they wanted my help. And I would be trading live, and I'd be actually trading the signals that I knew that I was happy taking because I was comfortable and stuff like that. And I was trading live right in front of these people, but in front of the traders. But what happened is that I have other moderators come on, and they would call all these trades, every single trade, just keep trading, keep taking. And the reason why was two things. One, the trader, the moderator who was calling it at that time, not me, but the other guy, he wasn't trading, so there was no emotion involved, so he was just calling all the trades. Oh, well, it's okay, keep moving on. You know, he didn't lose any money, he just made money from his salary or whatever he got out of that whole deal. Make sense? But in the meantime, he might have had a losing day, but oh, who cares? You know what I mean? The trader's lost money, I didn't lose money, who cares? You know what I mean? That's the first thing. There's really no emotion there tied in with the trader. Now, also, when it comes to don't follow every single trade, it's absolutely so crucial to understand that while you're getting involved with the trading room and while you're getting involved with that what happens is this, is that you may be part of a package or going to get a part of a package, and they say sign up to this broker here. Well, guess what? They now may be making commissions off every single trade you do. Okay, so now they're getting the reason why now they're getting you to take a lot of trades where the moderator's not even taking the trades themselves, so who cares if you have losing trades? And on the back end, they're wanting you to take all these trades because they're now making commissions off every single trade you do. You know what I mean? And that can rack up to for quite a bit of money. I left that trading company and haven't gone back to a trading room ever since. Now I do run sort of like stuff like that, but I'm all about self-education here. So don't follow every trade. Now, I must say one thing here, guys, okay? When you're actually trading and when you're actually involved with the room and when you're actually involved with companies, that doesn't apply to every company out there, okay? There are some companies out there that I know that trade every single time they trade, okay? All I'm saying is just do your due diligence and make sure you understand who you're getting involved with and what looks to be good may not be good, okay? That's what I'm saying. Again, my 10 years now of experience of being in this industry, and they're just there to protect you, alright? So let's move on here. That's the first thing. Don't follow every trade they do. Basically get confident with the system first. Second, have a month of least understanding. That's actually a month of understanding the trading system and get a good feel for it before you start throwing money out straight away. So many times when I was part of moderating and trading rooms and stuff like that, even myself, early on, about 7 years ago or something like when I was really getting ramped up, what would happen is I'd say, oh, well, the moderator's calling the signals, the professional trader is calling the signals, so I'm just going to throw a whole bunch of money into a trading account and start trading it. And it doesn't work like that way. You know, it just simply doesn't work like that. The reason why it doesn't work like that is you don't have a really good understanding, a confidence base of what the system is and how the system works. But not only that, but how to actually have a good trade management around that, how to actually cut your losses short and let your wins run. You know what I mean? And the reason why is because you haven't actually taken the time to actually have at least 1 month, okay, at least a month of understanding the trading system. But also now you're following every single trade that a moderator may not be trading himself, and he doesn't really care. So you can see how it's getting unbalanced here, right? Now the third thing is actually start with smaller goals, okay? Your goal might be to make $8,000. Yes, and you may see all these big numbers on trading room results or whatever, fluff, junk and crap in my point of view. I've seen them manipulate the results something severe. It's just crazy. Like they don't put losing results up there, but they put winning results. They only take maybe 20% of the losing results and stuff like that. Again, I'm not saying all trading rooms, but this is the stuff they do, guys. I'm just letting you guys out there, okay? So small goals at the start. So instead of saying $8,000, just say you want to make $80 for 3 months straight, and have a systematical approach. Have their trading system or whatever trading system you have, and start small. Now I know $80 doesn't sound like a lot, but if you can make $80 and you're doing everything like basically mechanical, here's the setup, here's what I'm getting in, here's what I'm getting out, that's it, and you do that for you do that every day for 3 months straight, and you make $80 every single month. You know where to put your stop, you know where to put your profit target, and you're just letting it go, and you're making $80 per month, and it's not like a guessing, you're not guessing, but you're following an actual systematic approach of getting in, getting out of the markets. That if that's the case, then going from 80 to 8,000 shouldn't be that hard. Because in the 80, this is where you learn to cut your losses short. This is where you learn to let your profits run. This is where you learn the characteristics of a successful trader. Not the trading system, but what you do to the trading system to make it really successful. Make sense, guys? And so yeah, if you do $80, all it is to now you understand what to do on a small scale. Ramp it up. Before you know it, you're making 1,600, 3,500, so on and so forth. And this can actually build up really quickly. 4, stand on your own 2 feet. All right. Don't think that don't get part of a company because you think they're going to help you be successful long term, because that's just not it. Okay. What you need to do to be successful long term is actually you get the education and you have a coach and a mentor with you, step by holding you, but you actually doing the work, so you know you can do this long term. You know what I mean? You can do this for the rest of your life, and that obviously goes down to step 5, and take responsibility. Okay, take responsibility. I didn't know how to spell that word, so that's why I had the line there, and I couldn't be bothered looking up because I wanted to get this video done for you guys. So anyway, guys, out of my 10 years of experience being involved with trading rooms, here's some trading room do's and don'ts while actually looking at that. If you're looking at courses and packages, stuff like that, here's some really key crucial things that you need to look at, and I hope you understand exactly what we went through there, and I really hope that you like this. Again, the biggest thing for me and teaching my clients is being self-reliant. I'm there as a coach, as a mentor, helping them through the steps, making sure they're doing it properly, but they're actually self-reliant, and as you do that, you take responsibility, you're willing to work harder and get the results faster. Make sense? Instead of following the quote-unquote pro trader. Anyway, guys, this is my take on trading rooms. Again, not all trading rooms are bad. There are some good, there are some bad. Just do your due diligence. I know a lot of trading rooms out there are just full of crap and full of shit, basically, and but there are some trading rooms out there that I know that they actually trade their signals that they call as well too. Okay. Anyway, guys, if you'd actually like to get my help personally, maybe actually have me as your coach, and actually have like a step-by-step formula of how to actually walk through this, laying the foundation to understand the charts, so you're having good trading systems, and maybe actually me having your mentor, maybe even giving you a coaching call for free, then click on that link below right now. You're going to learn more information about who I am and the strategies and how you actually can get my super trader formula for free. So click on that button below right now, it just appeared, and it's going to send you over to the website. This is John Howell here from officialjohnhowell.com. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.